Hello everyone, welcome to Tkinter Hub. And welcome to Student Management and Registration Project. In the previous video, we had completed Student Dashboard, and we had created all functionalities of Student Dashboard, which will help the student for manage their account. And from this video, we will start to create admin dashboard, where admin can find and get students' details, and also admin can send announcement to students. And dear friends, you must watch the end of this video. In the end of video, I have announced a good news about this project. And friends, I am very thankful to you, thanks for your support and patience. So let's start this video. Here is admin login page, and from here we will start to create admin dashboard. Now we will start to create admin dashboard interface. The student dashboard, and the admin dashboard interface is same, so I had already explained in detailed in part 9 video, that how you can create this dashboard interface. So we will create admin dashboard interface in quickly, because I have already explained in part 9 video, that how you can create this dashboard interface. Video link will available in description box. Here I am creating a frame. These two attributes will add around color border in frame. And also we will set dashboard frame height and width. Let's call this function, for see their results. Here you can see, dashboard frame created. Now let's create dashboard other stuff. Here I am creating another frame, for dashboard pages options. Here you can see, pages options frame created. Now let's create pages options buttons, and also pages options indicators. Here I am creating a button, for home page option. Here I am creating a label, for home page option indicator. If you want to know that how we are creating this indicator using a label, then you need to watch part 9 video. Link available in description box. Similarly, we will create options buttons and indicators for other pages. Now let's create logout option button. We have created all pages options buttons and indicators. And now we will hide these both indicators, because initially we will switch home page, when user will land at admin dashboard. For hide indicators we will just need to set this color to indicators labels. If you want to know how indicators will hide by applying this color, then you will need to watch part 9 video. Link available in description box. Here you can see, other indicators are hidden. Now we will create a functionality, which will show only clicked page option indicator. When a page option button will click, then clicked page option indicator will show, and other showing indicator will hide. In the switch function we will take a indicator argument. The indicator argument will a indicator label which we want to show. For show this argument indicator label, simply in the switch function, we will apply color to indicator label, for make it visible. And before make visible to argument indicator label, we will hide all indicators labels. Here all indicators labels will hide, and then clicked page option indicator will show. Now let's add this function to pages options buttons. Here is home page option button. When home page option button will clicked, then we will show home page option indicator, and other indicators will hidden. Similarly we will add this function to other pages options. Now let's test this function. Initially home page option indicator is showing. Let's if I click find student page option button. Here you can see, clicked page option indicator is showing. Now we will start to create admin dashboard pages interface and functionalities. For create admin dashboard pages, we will create another frame in dashboard frame, called pages frame. And inside in the pages frame, we will put and switch admin dashboard pages interface. Here I am creating a frame. Basically in this frame we will put and switch admin dashboard pages. Now I will set background color to this pages frame, for show you how it's appear in admin dashboard. Here you can see, this is pages frame where we will put and switch admin dashboard pages. Now we will start to create home page interface. But before we will link admin dashboard to admin login page. Here I will remove background color from pages frame, because I have just set color for show you example. Here is admin login page function. In the admin login page, we will create a function which will open admin dashboard, when admin will enter username and password, and then press login button. Here I will check a if condition. If the entered username is equals to admin, then means username is correct, and then we will check password. And if the username will not equals to admin, then in the else condition we will display message box, that username is wrong. But if the username will equals to admin, then here we will check condition for password. If the password is equals to admin, then means password is correct. The valid username will admin, and password will admin. And if the password will not equals to admin, then in the else condition we will display message box, that password is wrong. If the username and password will correct, then we will destroy admin login page and then we will open admin dashboard. First here we will destroy admin login page mainframe. And also here I will update root window, because sometime root window may not show changes. After destroying admin login page and updating root window, here we will call admin dashboard function. Now let's add this function to login button. Here is login button. Let's if I enter wrong username and password. You can see, username considered wrong. Here I have entered valid username and password. Let's if I click login button. Here you can see, admin dashboard open. Let's see a example again. We have linked admin dashboard to admin login page. Now we will start to create home page interface. For now I will collapse some code from here, because for now we don't need to touch this code. Collapsing code will not actually delete your code, it will just fold your code in a blocks for make work easy with large lines of codes. Let's start to create home page. In the home page function, we will create a frame for home page. And we will add home page frame in pages frame. Now I will add this admin icon in home page frame. The admin icon we are using already, this variable we had defined already you may remember. Now if I will call this home page function, then the home page frame will pack in pages frame. Here I will call home page function. Here you can see, home page frame packed in pages frame. Now let's create home page other stuff. Here I am creating a label. Here I am creating another label. Now here we will display numbers of students by class. Here we will display numbers of students in each of class, which will help to admin to know that how many students are in a class. Now we will check from database that how many students are in each of class. You may remember that in the previous video we had created a function which will help us to get students data from database. Yes, I am talking about fetch student data function. This function allow us to execute query from database, and also it will return fetched data of query. Using this function, I will execute a query from database, which will fetch numbers of students by class. In the SQL, the count function is used to count the number of rows in a table column. This star character means count all rows of specified table column. Here I will specify table and column. And we will count the rows of class column, where class column value will equals to 11th grade. This query will return numbers of students in 11th grade class. Let's print the fetched data of query. Here you can see 8 value returned means 8 students are in 11th grade class. Let's see how many students are in 12th grade class. Here you can see 21 students are in the 12th grade class. Now I will run this query for all grades classes, for know the all students numbers by class. In the for loop through, here I will execute the query for each of grade class, from this class grades list. This class list variable you may remember, that we had stored class grades list, for select class grade option, when student register account. Using this list, we will check student numbers for each of grade class. In the for loop, this query will fetch each of grade class students' numbers. Here I will print class grade name, with their numbers of students. Here you can see, here is printed the numbers of students, with their class grade name. Now we will display these details in admin dashboard home page, for display as a report how many students are in a class. First here I will create a label, where we will display these details. We have created this label. Now let's see how we will display these details to this label, in for loop through. Basically here I will concatenate the text to this label. Using this plus equals sign, we will concatenate the details to this label, in for loop through. Here we will concatenate the each of class grade name, with their numbers of students, to this label in for loop through. After class grade name, here I will add 4 spaces. Then here I will add the result of query, which is the numbers of students of each of grade class. And also we will slice the result of query, from list of tuple. And also here we will add 2\n, for make separate every line. Now let's test it. You can see, here is displaying the class grade name, with their numbers of students. And we have completed the home page. And that's for this video. Dear friends, I hope you learned from this video, and I appreciate your patience for late video. And I want to tell you a good news about this project. The good news is, the next video is the last part of this project, and I am very happy that we are completing this project. Thanks for your support, dear friends. See you in the next video.